Hey guys, what's good? This is MattOhMTL, and today we're back with another unboxing, review, and on-feet look at the Yeezy V2 Blue Tints. Hey guys, what's good? This is MattOhMTL, and today we're going to be doing another Yeezy unboxing and on-feet review of the Yeezy V2 Blue Tints, the third release in the latest Yeezy line to come out this year. So these guys are very similar to the Yeezy Zebras, which happens to be one of my favorite colorways of the Yeezys, and I'm not, like I said, I'm not a huge Yeezy fan. I'm really a big Jordan guy, so the fact that I was able to get really into these sneakers was like a thing for me. So I managed to find a decent price, got these guys, and now we're going to take a look. A little overdue, but we're finally going to take a look on feet and see what these sneakers look like. So without further ado, let's get into it. So here they are. I just picked these up from a seller who got them at Exclusivity in Montreal. I believe it was a raffle ticket system, and here it is. We got the big 350 on the front of the box as usual. Typical Yeezy box. So I've got my size 11.5. I actually found that these things fit really snug. Even in my size, I'm a typical true to size 10. With a size 11, my toe is at the top and it's like constricted at the front of the foot, whereas the back of the shoe is pretty good. Regardless, this is what I went with. Another size 0.5 up from what I usually get. See? I learned after my first time how to open these things finally and where the right spot is. And here they are, the Yeezy 350 V2 Blue Tints. Got a beautiful zebra pattern here on the sides. Got our clean boost. Got our factory lacing. Still done. Our Yeezy on the inside. We got our 3M reflective stripes right here on the back of the shoe. Got our tongue stitching on the inside. Looks good. And we have our sizing right here. Paper still in. We have our 350 writing on the outside, on the uppers. The right amount of stitching right here, back tab. Just an overall very nice, very clean, and very subtly blue shoe. I was very impressed with how they managed to execute this slight blue tint on these sneakers. And then we've got the ones with the tags on them. So as you'll notice, you have your stripe right here for the 350, and then right underneath you have like a more faded version of the stripe. Again, you've got factory lacing, still done, and you got your size tags. Overall, beautiful shoe. Okay, so without further ado, let's take some shots of these guys and see what they look like on feet. And voila, the Yeezy 350 Boost V2 Blue Tints. I honestly was very surprised with these because I adore the zebras, except I see way too many fakes, way too many people wearing them. They've kind of lost a bit of their appeal, some of their pizzazz and stuff. When I saw the blue tints, I was like, this is my chance to get a very close to a zebra without the sheer volume of fakes that are out there right now, the zebras, because they were like one of everybody's favorite looking Yeezys. So I'm glad to be able to get these. Well, they have a nice slight coloring of blue right here on the cuff of the shoe, also around the outsole, and of course on the laces. There's a nice light gray hue right here to the fabric and the knit upper, so that's a really nice touch. I found that they were very similar to the Belugas in terms of the pattern that's used on top, except it's a lot lighter, and I wasn't able to detect if there was a slight blue tint in the actual fabric on the top, on the uppers. But with the amount of blue that's actually going on in the shoe here, I think it's just the right amount. If there is any blue in this gray here, it's nice and subtle, and of course that's what makes it the blue tint, right? It's just a little highlight. You've got your nice little reddish orange supply written right here backwards. You have your, of course, your back tab, your reflective 3M Adidas logo right back here. Going down, of course, into the sneaker. Other one with, of course, dead stock tags still attached to the shoe. I will be removing these when I'm going to wear them. Not right yet, but I am going to be wearing these. I wear all my kicks, so these guys are going to be undead stocked decently soon, probably when it's not snowing like it is right now outside, and my window is going crazy. We have our clean Boost underneath, very clean, typical Yeezy V2 release. Only difference is really the colorway, and I think that these are probably one of the better ones to drop. I don't know if I prefer them over the Belugas, but I certainly do think that they look better than the zebras, so very happy on this. Let's take a quick look at these on feet. Hey guys, so that's it. That was our Beluga. Oh. That's it. That was our on-feet and unboxing POV review of the Yeezy V2 Blue Tints. If you guys liked the video, please remember to comment, like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you guys are one of the first ones notified as soon as the video comes up. And that's it. I have to admit, look, I'm rocking these on feet right now, and they are super comfy. No complaints here. Wear your kicks, take care of them, and keep an eye out for these Yeezy V2 Blue Tints. I will be wearing them. Peace.